Welcome to the Aliamad Tech Zone. Today we study about the compare option in Microsoft Office. First of all, we open the Microsoft Office and open the compare option. This option helps us into the find mistake between the two documents. This option is used in the offices because the files are too much and they are too boring. We open this file from the files and the open next file from the files but to change then first file. So we open that file and click the open, so the file will be open and you seen there are mistakes underlined. Now you are seeing the difference between two files, that letters are removed from this file. Now that are example of a big that you are seeing the Ata Muhammad name and Zubair Ali. This is removed from the this file. Those letters which are removed from the file, that are the different from that letters, that is the words which are most different from the another file. So you seen the all file, those mistakes which are underlined and removed from the file, that is the uses of the compare option. For more videos like that in Microsoft Office, Excel, Photoshop, and other apps, subscribe our channel. Thanks. We will meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe the Aliamad Tech Zone. Allah Hafiz.